Tired of your videos getting lost in the YouTube abyss? Let's create scroll-stopping thumbnails using just Capcut. Open Capcut and tap New Project. Choose a relevant image or a screenshot from your video as the base for your thumbnail. Tap Add in the bottom right. Now, let's set the aspect ratio. Top ratio at the bottom of the screen. Select 169, which is the standard YouTube thumbnail size. Next, add some attention-grabbing text. Tap the text icon and then add text. Type in a short, compelling title that reflects your video's content. Customize your text using the font, style, and color options. Make sure it's large and easy to read. Even on smaller screens, consider adding a stroke or shadow for better visibility. Time for some visual flair. Tap stickers and browse the options to find something that complements your video. Arrows, emojis, or eye-catching graphics can really help. To really make your thumbnail stand out, consider adding a picture of yourself or a relevant object from your video. Tap Overlay, then add Overlay to select the image you want. Adjust the size and position it strategically. Refine the overall look by adding a filter. Tap Filters and experiment to find a filter that enhances the colors and makes your thumbnail more vibrant. Once you're happy with your design, tap the export icon in the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution and frame rate, and then tap Export. And that's it. Now you can upload your amazing new thumbnail to YouTube and watch those click-through rates. So don't forget to use relevant keywords in your video title and description for maximum impact. Happy creating!